So in this video, I'll be teaching you on how to add a QR code on your Wix. So basically first, you need to access any Wix project of yours. And after that, you will see this page, which is I selected this type of project. And after that, you'll be needing to go to add elements. And as you can see, once you click on the plus icon, which is add on elements, you will see right here a bunch of options. You just have to click on the image. And as you can see, you could actually upload some images. But how do you add your QR code on this project? So for you to able to do that, go to any QR code generator website, just like this. Once you created or generated a QR code, just download it as PNG for higher quality. So after that, you'll be going back to your Wix and upload and import your QR code right here and place it based on your preference on your project. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video.